Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to connect the LG Tone Free to your Android device. So the first step is on the LG Tones. What you're going to do is, if you have this slider right here, this is only available in the newer models. If you see green under the slider, like you can see right here, you just want to slide this off. And then the next step is on your Android, you just want to turn on Bluetooth, so swipe down until you see the Bluetooth, turn this one on, and then once Bluetooth is turned on, you just want to open up the lid, just like so, of your LG. Now once the lid is opened, automatically you may have the option to pair on your Android. If you don't have the option like I don't, what you're going to do is you're just going to hold down the top of the bud for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and then you should see here, blue LED starts blinking, and then on the Android you should see LG Tone. Just tap on the connect, just like that. It will ask you to download the app. If you want to download it, just tap on the download. Otherwise you can just tap on it done, and just like that you successfully connected your LG Tone Free to your Android. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.